Hi, how to retrieve a data from the database? The simple, it's required a select statement. Select statement is a magic wand to retrieve the data from the database. Let's see how to do that. To retrieve all the data of the employee table from the employee table, we have to run this, the employee select from employees. Here is the data. If we want a specific information of regarding the specific column of the table, we require to specify the column name, and here is the data. Same way to we required a certain row, specify row of that particular employee. We have to introduce the where clause where I've written here employee ID is equal to 100. Let's see what's the information. So to learn further, stay tuned with me. Hello, welcome back to my channel, Code with Mrs. Khan. In today's tutorial 1, introduction to the retrieving data in SQL. Let's see what all we are going to learn. Retrieving a data in SQL. What is SQL? Select statement. Basic syntax of select statement, retrieving all column or specific columns and filtering the data from the database. How all this we are going to achieve? Let's see. First, we'll understand what is SQL. SQL stands for Structure Query Language. It is a language used to communicate with the database. Structure, there is a keyword used to write a query. We'll understand when we'll do actual query in our database. Let's see. It also allows us to perform various operations such as retrieving, updating, deleting, and inserting a data into the database. Basic syntax of select statement. Before going to the basic syntax of select statement, we'll understand what is a select statement. Select statement is used to retrieve the data from the database. Select is a keyword. When we write a series of keyword to make a statement and then you run that particular statement, you get an output. That running a statement is also, that statement is called a query. The statement is also called as query and it is made up of multiple statement. Here in the first example, select a particular column, column 1, column 2 from the table. The select and the from is a keyword and this makes a query. As already said, the statement is a particular statement. If I said I want to view the data of employee from the employee table, so my select will be select. What I have to select? All the information. And from where? We are viewing the data from the employees table. Select is a keyword used to specify the column we want to retrieve. Column 1 and 2, the name of the column we want to retrieve from, is a keyword indicate the table from which we want to retrieve the data. And table name is the name of the table containing the data. Let's see and understand all this basic syntax of the select statement in the data Oracle database. Let me start my Oracle database. Okay. Here, first we are going to retrieve employees information. So as per our syntax, first it was a select. Let me write in capital. It is not a case sensitive. You can write in mix or a lowercase also, it works. Just to be representable and easy to understand, that is a keyword. So I'm writing in capital. So select all information I want. So there is a for all. I don't know the column names of the employee table. So what we are going to write? We are going to use, it's called a while character. Shift and asterisk. You have to write. So it will come that asterisk. It gives all the information, all the column from where? From employee. See, I got it. Employees table. I'm just, and I end with my query with semicolon. So this is the query which I'm going to perform. So again, I'm going to explain this to select and from. If I say I want to view a data of employee, I will say select star from employees. Here we say star. Star stands for all the column, to get all the column from the table. Okay, this is what. If I want to run, I can select and click on this arrow. It's a run statement. I can control and enter also I can do. I'm just running it. I got all the information in my first query. What all column ID? I was not knowing the column name. So I have put to retrieve all the information of the employees. I can use a star, we say. It's a strict, but we say select star from employees. Star is for all the column from the table to view. Now I just want to retrieve a specific column. Now specific column. So what I'm going to do? My query will change. I will just write select. I will write, I just want employee ID. I will write employee. More specifically, I'm writing employee underscore ID. ID, first name, comma, last name. Okay. From where? I'm talking from employees table. Here I will get a specific column. Now in this query you're getting everything. I will run again and run my, see, I got what here. I'll just pen out here and I will run this also. See, I got a 2 query result. This was my query 1 and this is my query 2. Let me close it again and just mark it query result 1 and 2. How I've done this, I'm running this and just pin it out, pin it so that it doesn't go. Here in the first query, because of asterisk, because of star, I'm getting all the column ID, column name, okay, of the employees and all the information. Now here I'm writing a specific column. So I'm running this query. In this query here, I'm just getting the first name and the last name. Now, particular, the row or information of an employee. That particular information of an employee. Okay, of an employee. What I'm going to write? I have one more. This I will write all the information of that particular employee I want. So I will write employee from employees table. Now that the new word will come where? From where? What is the condition? This is a condition clause. I will say my employee ID will be, employee ID is 100. See, now if I run this particular query, I will retrieve all the information of that particular employee, which is 100, not all the employees. See, first one is to get all the information of that particular from the table, okay, of all the, I have how many employees? I have 107 employees. Now I'm specifying, I want the employee information, but just their first name, employee ID and last name, the specific column. Now I want a particular row. I want a particular information about that employee. So I have introduced the new thing, where clause. It is a condition. I'm putting a condition. I'm telling I want a, if I go a shopping market in the, for buying a t-shirt, I will say to a salesman, I want a blue color t-shirt. So that a blue color would be my this, and which brand I will tell this particular brand. So it's a condition I'm putting, it's an employee. It's a condition. Okay. So let's once again revise the concept for select statement. Select is retrieving the data from the database, where we can view the data from the database. First one it is to get all the information. Select star from employees. You will get all the information of that particular table. Now specific, we need to give in the select clause all the particular column name. Now for particular ID or particular row I need to put in a where condition. Hope you understand this thing. You do with me, you will understand and try to write your own queries. We can add here, I can put 164. What is the employee name? Or I can put other information. I just want to see employees whose department ID is 80. Department ID is 80. My condition is changing to view all the data who is belongs to department ID employee. So this is the 34. So this is all 34 employees are belong to department ID. So this is how I can play and understand my query. The further complexity we'll understand in the next video. Hope you enjoy this doing and retrieving the data from the database. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and like the video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.